everyone. My name is Aisha. I study in grade 1 at Delhi Public School, Kollam. Are you interested in robotics? Let's learn. Let's start with basics. What is this? It is jumper wire. See, I have many jumper wires. Let's talk about jumper wires.
Hey Saisha, you have many jumper wire and it looks so colorful. Can you explain more about it?
Yes,
So let's go.
this is male to female. This is female to female. This is male to male.
Okay.
Now is next one. This is breadboard. What is this? This is LED bulb. Now the next one. This is battery.